There is a video that went viral on X recently of a mixed reality application called Spatial Vacuuming. This is a really creative way of using MR to clean your apartment. The depth sensor on the headset would first scan your room and map the floor to make sure you don't miss out any spot. This is exactly what is needed in the XR industry right now. Being creative to find use cases that are not hard to develop but add real value to people's lives. This is the only way we will see mainstream adoption. Do you have an interesting use case for using mixed reality? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned to Falcon Reality Show for more XR related content.